Hello friend, I'm Sunday Hayewale from October School of Shoemaking. Thank you for clicking this video. In this project, I want to show you how I was able to stitch all these edges. I was able to assemble different parts of this project. I was able to get it out, assemble it all together and stitch it and give it a perfect look to the back. Give it a good look. All is what I want to show you in this video. In this tutorial, I want to show you, and don't forget that this is an off course from my full course. I have a full course on this that is on my platform, and HD fully illustrative, comprehensively analyzed. I have it on my platform. The link to that is in the description of this video. Come with me to let me show you how we go about that. The machine we're going to use in this project, you're going to see, take note of all that. So whenever you want to start stitching yours, you consider those machines in whenever you want to make your choice when to order or buy machines of your own. Possibly buy or possibly upgrade the currently one you have to one that can stitch this. If this is what you want to make, then this video is very important. But you come with me and see how we'll be doing stitching that step by step. Doing this right now, after I get this, I just come over and pick any of my scissors and then cut. I have this out, marked out, stick very well to the material. Coming around. At the point everything has been marked out, the next thing I need to do right now is then to come over and trim it out. Cut it out. I will get this out. This is it. Pick my pen and I mark. Okay, right now we're done with the cutting. So the next thing we're going to be doing right to connect, stitch all these together. Also, to start with, I then come in here, pick this and come and start stitching. Do the same thing. Okay, we got this out. Right now we're done at this. The next thing we'll be doing to round up work on this is to come to this back, turn it on other side and come and stitch. Okay. At the point we've stitched this, so to get this set right now, what we're going to be doing here is that cutting, having this material here is a flexible leather of 1 inch. Just come this way and then drop in there. Walk along the edges. Let's get to move to the work decks now to apply gum to it, and then come in here, stand it as my table mat. Okay, this is dry right now, and then come this way to fold it over. So at the point we're done with this, the next thing for us to do is to then come over here and drop it this way and open to then come over and stitch. Being able to get this and then come over with the other part of this right now like this. So what we're going to be doing now, I'm going to need my gum and then proceed back to the decks, working decks, to apply the gum to the point I need the two to click together. Here it is, and drop this. Make sure it doesn't exceed the line. I come in here too, it's dry up I can then come over and then come and place it this way. The next thing I'll be doing is to then proceed to the machine. Okay, that is stitched like that. Stitch straight. Let me get to check the ender. Yes, you can see stitched. Again, what I'm going to be doing again now is to then come over here, clip this with the gauge. Okay, you can see, trying to clip it with this gauge like this. That's what I'm doing. Okay, clipped. That's been clipped to the okay. Now I'm done with it. Done getting everything out. As you can see, I'm done getting everything out. Okay, right now I'm done with it. The next thing I'll be doing right now to this is to put eyelets. Okay, after I've been able to get that, I come over here. Here is the eyelet I'm using to get this done. To do that, I then pick my perforator to know the gauge of the eyelet. Okay, done. Now, as you can see, done. Everything intact. The highlight has been clipped. They're not going to go off. So, all what I did in here, I'm going to replicate this. At the point we're done with this, done fixing this, the tool is set. Right now, as you can see, it's set. So, we then come to the lace, to lace it up. We have this fixed. Come over here, drop it. Here is the pattern, what we use and cut it the pattern. So here, right now, this is set. We set with this, as you can see, set, and what is just next for us, not this. Right now, we're done with the complete upper. As you can see, we're good to go with this. Next thing we'll be doing right now to then proceed to getting the sew fixed. Thank you so much for watching to this time. Hope you like what you're saying. If you like what you've seen, please don't forget to give a thumbs up. What you just watched is just an off course, all out of our full course we have on the platform. We have a full course of this project on our platform. Please, to get a full course of that, there's a link in the description of this video. Go in there and you will be navigated to where you can take a full course of this project. You know, subscribe on this channel, subscribe, and then don't forget to click the notification bell to get an update of a subsequent upload on this platform. I'm Oyewale Sunday, and whatever you do, never stop learning.